Hey YouTube, what's popping? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM. Zomedica has just released their 2020 financials this past Friday on February 26. So let's get right into this. Zomedica is a penny stock that's trading around $2.12 at the time of this recording, with a market cap of over $2 billion. I'm just going to provide a very brief overview before we get into the financials. So Zomedica is a veterinarian health company that creates point-of-care diagnostic products for dogs and cats. Zomedica is set to debut its first product, Truforma, a point-of-care diagnostic platform on March 30th, 2021. Truforma, designed to assist practitioners, so veterinarians, in the diagnosis of complex conditions. Truforma immunoassays deliver accurate, reliable data when testing for thyroid and adrenal disease. Alright, so now let's get into Zomedica's 2020 financials. So within their financial release, Zomedica's CEO, Robert Cohen, commented, "While we are thankful for a substantial improved balance sheet, we continue to be good stewards of our funds by remaining efficient in our operations as we prepare for the upcoming commercial release of Truforma." Okay, so let's get right into the numbers. So Zomedica recorded a net loss and a comprehensive loss for the year ending December 31st, 2020 of approximately $16.9 million or 5 cents per share. Now in 2019, the loss was $19.8 million or 19 cents per share. So there is an improvement here, $2.9 million, which brings Zomedica closer to reaching a profit. Now the main factor to consider is that Zomedica is in the development stage, so they have recorded no revenues in 2020, which if you have been following Zomedica, you already know this, and we are anticipating the launch of Truforma. The 2020 net loss resulted from research and development expenses of approximately $8 million, compared to a loss of $10.3 million in 2019. So this is a difference of $2.3 million. So once again, there's another improvement. General and administrative expenses of approximately $6 million loss compared to a loss of $7.1 million in 2019. So once again, another improvement here of $1.1 million. Now the professional fees, the loss was approximately $2.2 million. Now in 2019, the loss was approximately $1.5 million. So in 2020, they spent approximately $700,000 more in professional fees. Now this increase is said to be primarily due to increased expenses in costs associated with the 2 shareholder meetings in 2020 as well as their 2020 offering activity. Okay, so now let's discuss the liquidity and outstanding share capital. Zomedica had cash and cash equivalents of approximately $62 million as of December 31st, 2020, compared to approximately $500,000 as of December 31st, 2019. This increase in cash during the year ending 2020 is mainly a result of cash flows provided from financing activities, partially offset by cash flows used in operating activities. Now, the actual release and the SEC documents that were filed contain more detailed information, so if you are interested, I will post the links in the description below. So obviously, Zomedica is not making any money yet, which explains their loss, but I believe once they launch Truforma, we will begin to start seeing a profit. Of course, adoption of this platform, Truforma, could be difficult at first. However, it was announced back in January 2021 that Zomedica has signed an agreement with Miller Veterinarian Supply for the distribution of Truforma. Miller will be representing Zomedica in states ranging from Texas to Maine. So this agreement will definitely help and speed up the adoption process. Now keep in mind that Zomedica is a penny stock and shares have rallied from 6 cents back in November 2020 to a high of $2.91 just a few weeks back on February 8th. That is a move of almost 5,000% to the upside. Now, although they are a penny stock, they still have some pretty big investors. BlackRock has over 8 million shares invested, as well as Morgan Stanley and Vanguard. Alright guys, I just wanted to provide you with a quick update on Zomedica's 2020 financials. Now, I hope you were able to get some value out of this video and this information helps you make an informed decision. But if you are considering investing in Zomedica, please do your due diligence as I am not a financial advisor. And let me know in the comments down below. Do you have any shares? What's your cost average? Do you plan on picking up any shares this week? And what is your price prediction for Zomedica in 2021? And if there are any stocks you want me to cover, please let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram at _finance. As always everyone, happy trading and see you in the next video.